Listen to me now.
You're a cat. How do you even understand what I'm saying? Oh my god.
What's going on in here? What are you doing? No, no, you're too young.
Jeez, Toby, look.